This is a 1971 Datsun 240Z S30 coupe, and it was the subject of a 3-year rotisserie restoration at the hands of its owner, Roger L. The 240 was the first ever Z, and inherited the Fair Lady badge, a Broadway reference, from open-top Datsun sports cars that have been produced since 1959. Despite being over 50 years old and the first of the breed, the timeless design of the 240Z still stands out, even in this crowd, and has been referenced constantly in the Zs that followed, especially the latest one. This particular car, being a 1971 model, combines the steering wheel and console from the early cars with some minor touches that came a bit later. This one, in 903 blue, the rarest colour available for Aussie 240s, has been in the hands of Roger for over 8 years. It was bought from a racing friend as a crash-damaged shell after being off the road for over 20 years. It was pretty much a barn find, and Roger has fully resurrected it. It's received a larger L28 engine, triple Makuni carbs, disc brakes all around, and a couple of trick bits from Roger's other Z, a rally car. Apart from the prep and paint, all of the work was done exclusively by Roger, and very uniquely, the entire 3-year build was done in front of a time-lapse camera. The video of this particular build has been seen an astonishing 3.5 million times and makes for some very satisfying viewing. Type Rally 240 into your Google now and watch it when you get home. It's almost as amazing as this car itself.